Do you believe that planting potatoes and life in Canada are very much alike? Starting from scratch, such that working entry-level jobs compares to planting the potato seedlings. As the plant grows, you also grow in your career or employment. It takes some time to see the fruits of your labor, thus a few months to harvest the potatoes. As well, it takes a few years to see stability in your job and satisfaction in your life abroad. It's so much fun seeing your bountiful harvest. As well, you feel joyful seeing your children graduate from school, buying your car and your own home. Look at that! We already have there, and then here's the second basin. Let's wash our potatoes. Second wash. The cooked potatoes make you feel proud of your own produce. Likewise, having lived your dream life in Canada as well gives you pride of being able to provide for your family and extend help to other family members and to the community back home. We'll be cooking these smaller potatoes tonight together with other vegetables. Okay, so the ingredients are ready. The vegetables are cut into cubes. There's garlic also and onions. Those are the potatoes there. Some are with skin because anyway we don't have insecticides that was put in the garden. And here's the chicken, the giniling chicken. So we are cooking, and cooking our chicken giniling with some vegetables, including the potatoes. Oh, I forgot to cut this. These are the very small potatoes in there. And it's cooked. What else can you ask for? God bless everyone. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.